Why you should use UCS from DesignX. UCS in DesignX gives you precise control over how your objects are positioned, aligned, and derived, especially when working with complex geometry or imported parts. For example, here is a case study of a model that requires its logo to be placed diagonally within its base. To solve this, let's use the UCS tool in DesignX. Begin by importing your 3D model into Autodesk Inventor. Next, open the UCS tool from the 3D Model tab under Work Features. And define the origin and orientation. This will set your X and Y axes. Now, switch to DesignX tab and open the UCS tool again. This time to set the destination. Click the solid where you want your part to align. DesignX will snap it into place.